In this video, I will unbox this light that I just bought on Amazon. And I heard they say when after you get the box, you have to remove the stickers where it has your name in the barcode, because I heard people can scan the barcode and get some of your personal information. So that's why I remove the barcode with my address, because this thing are kind of personal. I don't want people to show up in my address and like, hey, I don't want that. And let's open this together and you will see I just bought these two lights and I'm gonna add them to my setup. So let's see. This is a big box, and then you see the small one inside. So let me open it, and as you can see, it's right here. Let me move this back a little bit. And as you already know, my studio is small studio, really small one. Well, I thought the light was bigger, by the way, but let's see. I have these two right here. This is the tripod for the lights. This one, it's metal, adjustable, as you can see, and open. So it's not bad. It's longer than the one I bought from. It's not that tall, but anyway. And let's get the other one. It's two of them. And now let's open the light and see what's come inside the box. Let's check with me. And well, in the picture it looks bigger, but for the price that I bought it, it's not bad. Wait, this is it? No way. Alright, let's check. Okay, this is how it look like. Well, it's Nike, but I thought it was. Let me see. Oh, okay, I see it. Okay, so as you can see, this is the control. So let me see, it's not on. Yeah, it is on. So let me plug it in to see how it's work. If it's something that I can use for my let me see. Oh, the cord is long. That's one thing. The cord is long, so I can place it in the wall or do something else. Like if I don't want it to close to me. This is let me plug it. And let me try to turn it on to see how. By the way, this is brand new. I hope it's working. See? Ooh, this is too bright. Let me see if I can reduce the. Okay. Not bad at all. So I bought this on Amazon for, I think it was $30. It's two of them. And wait. Okay, I got it now. So it comes with filters, so you can change the filters if you want. Let me see how this works. You can change the filters. Okay, I got it now. See, you have different colors. And see, I changed the white. You have a gray one. See. Okay, so whatever you want, all you have to do, just how many filters? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a lot of them. A lot of filters. Oh wow, look at this. Let me try the green one. No, this is not green. This is like a bluish, light blue. This is amazing. And I have two of them. And one thing about this, as you can see, so if I want the light only on me, I just close this a little bit. close it a little bit so I don't need, so I can have the light face on me. Like let's say I don't want the light on my background, and I can just do it like this. And the good thing about this, I can increase the light intensity, and it's really bright. Oh my gosh, this is really bright. It's really bright. All right, and this is the first one. Let me try the other one. So I have to make sure both work. Turn this on, and then you just press this, turn it off. Let me open the other one, and this is all the filters. By the way, for $30, it's good. Oh, each come with the oh man. Wait, it's not the same filters. These are different. Is that different or the same? I think they are the same. Okay, small filters. So each come with the set of filters. Let me plug this in. Let me remove this. I'm not using it. This and let me turn it on. As you can see, it's the same thing. Oof, this is really bright. Really bright. Okay, let me turn it down a little bit. And filters, let me see what is in the box. That's it in the box, nothing else. And I have a lot of filters, I'm telling you, it's a lot of them. You see the red one? Red, this is the red. Oh, what color is this? I don't know. See? And then this is where you can screw the stand right here. You can see right here underneath it. Just place it and then you screw it, and this is it. All right, so if you want one like this, it's cheap. If you have and by the way, none of the things that I use on my studio are expensive. All of them are cheap stuff. And if you haven't done that, watch the other video that I posted yesterday, where I show you all the equipment that I use. And I can show you, I have this light that I bought for $24 on Amazon. As you can see right here, it's right here. That's what I use for my video. And the most expensive stuff that I use are the microphone and the mixer. And I have this one also. It's H4n Pro. I don't really use it to make videos. And that's all I have, the most expensive stuff. After that, all the other thing that I have here is stuff that I bought cheap on Walmart. Let me show you. This is my secret. Okay, I should not show you that, but this is my secret. This is as you can see, the light that I use. This one right here. Oh, I'm making a mess. On. Let's see. You can turn it on right here. Okay, you can see I bought this at Walmart for like $10, and I have this background. Let's see if I can turn the phone. And I have this one that I bought for like, let's see if I can turn it on, $4 on a thrift store. So I don't really have nothing fancy. I don't have nothing expensive. All I have is like basic. This you can change. It has a lot of colors. Okay, so this is it for the video. If you like it, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.